Welcome to another Smart Search Tech Tip. In this tech tip, we will highlight KeyFree Indexing and some of its advanced capabilities for extracting index information. KeyFree Indexing is a powerful tool built into Smart Search that allows users to process index information simply by clicking on the document. If I was a user in Accounts Payable, I could process this stack of invoices very quickly and easily using KeyFree Indexing. After activating the tool, all I need to do is simply click on the information in the body of the document to fill out my indexing fields. By simply clicking on the data in this document, I can very easily process this batch of documents with little or no data entry required. As you can see from multiple documents, it will move right along to the next document in my batch. It'll handle inverse text, which is white text on a black background, and eliminate the manual data entry associated with many document management solutions. Now, in addition to some of this basic data entry, KeyFree Indexing has the ability of more advanced extraction. Let's take, for instance, this example of customer PO. You'll notice that there's a dash after the PO, and perhaps we only want to grab the string prior to the dash. By pressing the Control key, we can extract character by character only the information that we'd like. In the case of the vendor name with multiple pieces of data and multiple lines, you'll see KeyFree recognizes each word or phrase separately. Using Shift, we can hold down and click each piece of information that we'd like to extract, populating that into our field. We could also click and drag on that information and create a selection box around the data that we'd like to extract. In that case, because of the carriage return, it doesn't recognize a space between steel and corporation. So additionally, we can hold down Alt, which will allow us to edit the data that we've extracted afterwards, allowing us to enter the space and correct that piece of information. Also, KeyFree Indexing works great for date information. So capturing 4-June-2012 here will place that information into the proper formatting inside of Smart Search. In addition to being able to extract the header information as we've done with all of these documents, Smart Search has the capability of storing line item information about documents. For this invoice that has many different line items, I may need to capture that information to process into my accounts payable solution. Utilizing KeyFree Indexing in conjunction with Smart Search table field data control, we can process line item by line item this information using the KeyFree. As a bonus, KeyFree Indexing with table fields allows us to click and drag on all line items within a column, effectively extracting all of that information into each table data column. Again, any information that is being extracted can be edited on the fly by hitting Alt. This would allow me to go in and correct any of these misplaced characters that were extracted incorrectly. KeyFree Indexing does use OCR technology, which is not always 100% correct, so we always recommend that you do some QA on any of the data that is being extracted. Thanks for watching this tech tip on KeyFree Indexing. We hope it'll help you become more productive with your Smart Search solution.